Hey everyone, my name is Fantasy.
Bruh.
The first step to make a good painting is to tape down the piece of paper and to enjoy the ASMR. The video footage that I recorded was almost 40 minutes, but that is too long and quite boring, so I have cut out a lot of parts, and every time there is a big jump, you will see the no signal screen. And if you are thinking what is the no signal screen, then here it is. Felix Arvid Ulf Schellberg, also known as PewDiePie, is one of the biggest YouTubers on this entire planet. He started his YouTube journey on 29th April 2010, and on 29th April 2020 he will be completing 10 years on YouTube, and that is a pretty big achievement. As you can already see from the title of the video, I am making this artwork for congratulating him for this huge achievement. I know there is hardly any chance that PewDiePie is going to come across this video, but I'll also be posting this artwork on PewDiePie's official Reddit page, and although there is very little chance that he is actually going to see this, I'll still try my best. So as you can see, the drawing is finally complete. Yeah, the drawing is completed. So let's start the coloring. This channel was introduced to me by an elder brother of mine. Honestly speaking, a lot of cool things that I know are introduced to me by my elder brother, and that is why I really love him and respect him. So I started watching PewDiePie from 2016, and back then his content was a little edgy, and that also got him into trouble quite a few times. But apart from that, I found his content to be extremely funny. His content is purely based on sarcasm, and people tend to misunderstand that quite often. And that was exactly the case during the PewDiePie vs T-Series situation. He was absolutely sarcastic during the entire situation, but many Indians took it very seriously. I know that the T-Series vs PewDiePie drama is over, but I just want to say that I am an Indian and I still support PewDiePie because I love his content. I don't want to say anything about T-Series because it can be harmful for a small Indian channel like mine, but at the end of the day we can all agree that PewDiePie is a original content creator, a individual content creator, whereas T-Series is a corporate company, and that is why PewDiePie gains a much more respectable position than T-Series. और यही सुन के लोग मुझे देशद्रोही बुलाएंगे.
Currently it looks very bad, as you can see. It looks like a gibber jabbish of a 9-year-old. But soon this will turn into a drawing from a 19-year-old. Just wait and watch.
Now let's talk about the artwork itself. In this artwork, I am essentially drawing 3 characters, PewDiePie and his 2 pet dogs, Maya and Edgar. Coloring Edgar was a little difficult because Edgar has black fur, so it was a little difficult to bring out the lights and shadows, but ultimately it turned out really good. I have just completed Edgar. Edgar is done. After completing Edgar, I started off with Maya, and it's essentially the same process, applying shadows and highlights, a little bit of smudging and shading to bring out the character.
I am also done with Maya. Now only Pewds is left to be done.
While detailing PewDiePie, I started with the headphones, and after that I went to do the left eye. Well, as you can see, the left eye has a blue flame in it, and that is a reference from Sans from Undertale. Well, this is a big jump. I did a lot of detailing without filming it. I did the cake, the candles, and the party hats. Candles on the cake have special meaning. The first candle is the PewDiePie figurine signifying the number 1, and the second candle is the Brofist signifying the number 0. So togetherly they form 10. I also wrote I am gonna take over his channel on Edgar's party hat, because Edgar was actually trying to do that a few years back. Well, you know what I mean if you are a PewDiePie fan. and you will see that at the very end when I give the close-up shot of the finished artwork. And finally I wrote congratulations, and as we all know, no PewDiePie artwork is complete without the iconic PewDiePie pattern, and so I used that pattern in the background. The icing on the cake is very important, so I wrote the most important words: 100ml Club and Floor Gang. I also want to say that this artwork and this video was done while sitting on the floor, so I am officially part of Floor Gang. And after the signature, now it's time for the big reveal.